You play the game Choices? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of unlimited resources in iOS and Android. So as you can see, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. So it's called hexmods.com. And once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Choices and it should come up. So let's see. And I'm just looking for it. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if it is on here. And yes, it is. So yeah, there's all these other apps, but the one we want is the Choices mod. So just press on it and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try this out, guys, because it's super cool. And if you go to the App Store and type in Choices, you can see it's super expensive. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, alright, and look at that, guys. So expensive. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe. Because, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but, like, why should I spend all this money on the game when I can get everything for free? So, yes, it's super cool. As you can see, so yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super awesome, and it's a fully working video. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. It's super cool, guys. It's totally working. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so crazy, as you can see. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe, because this is super awesome. It's totally updated and everything. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, look at that. I got so much. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool. And it's totally working. So if this video works, you guys, peace out.